With the rapid expansion of TTIs and the aspirations of government policy to have one TTI per constituency, we're now completed 174 TTIs and another 30 are in the development phase, having been approved in the last supplementary budget. This has created a shortage of trainers. We have currently 4,000 trainers, and we hope to be hiring a further 3,000 trainers by January. This will alleviate the shortage slightly, but we hope that in the new year we'll be able to hire a lot more trainers. Going forward, we expect each trainer to provide at least 2 or 3 courses and not have more than 20 students per class, and therefore we do need a lot more trainers in order to create the necessary accommodation of the volume that has increased in TTIs. One of the reforms that we are introducing is RPL, recognition of prior learning. All those out there who have not necessarily been to formal education like colleges, but have acquired a skill through experience, will have an opportunity to be assessed over here and certified. This will enable them to not only ensure that the skills that they have are recognized, but that they are able to then further upgrade them. Institutions like Chemisiri TTI will not only have real value production equipment to share with the Juakali sector, the MSME sector, but it will also be able to participate in ensuring that we're able to create technologies and systems together.